How to automate Bing search. So if you want to automate Bing search in your mobile, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. You can also go with other browsers such as Kiwi browser and everything. And here you just need to simply go with the search, and under search you need to search for Chrome Web Store and open it up. Once you're under the Chrome Web Store, now make sure to go with the desktop side, and under the desktop side now you just need to simply go with search, which is on the upper side, and you need to search for an extension. So simply go with search. Once you search for Bing Search Automator, now here you will have it by click on the extension. Once you click on it, now here you will have add to Chrome option. You just need to simply go and add it to your Chrome. But if you're not being able to add it to your Chrome, then simply just open up your VPN, and once you connect to a VPN, you need to add that to your browser. Once you've added, you can go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and here you will get an option of Bing Search Automator or automatic Bing search. And after that, you will have perform 25 Bing searches. You can simply go and use your Bing search, like automate Bing search in this way. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.